These douchebags over here being construction workers.
Are you a construction worker? Or do you know someone who is? If you do, then you know that the job is difficult and the job is often dangerous. People who work construction jobs sometimes get killed on the construction site, or at the very least, they sometimes get injured. At first, I was going to put together a bunch of pictures showing construction workers on various projects to best illustrate the important role they have in our own modern times. And then I thought I might as well just run an image search to show you several pictures at once. Whatever they do, it is important and expensive, and the people who are paying them, they want all the projects done as quickly as possible. That is why construction workers have to work such long days. They have to start as early as possible, and they work as late as possible. When the projects are completed, they provide employment, a place to call home, a place to do business, and add value to the community. I thought that the best picture to show would be the emojis, which include construction workers that are both male and female and of all races. This shows the popularity and respect that people have for construction workers. For if there was ever anyone who could say that they are a worker, then it is literally a construction worker, because they do work very hard at what they do. And virtually everyone respects them. Everyone, that is, except for people such as Ken Domik, who refers to construction workers as douchebags. Why would he do this? Why would he say this? Why would he put it on the internet? Why would he put it on his YouTube channel for thousands of people to see that he says that construction workers are douchebags? Why would he do this? And who is this Ken Domik person?
These douchebags over here start work at 7 o'clock in the morning, and the first thing they'd like to do at 7 o'clock in the morning, you know, being construction workers, is to use very large hammers.
Ken Domik is a Canadian YouTuber, and he is a full-time YouTuber. He does not work for a living, and later on in this video he will admit that he doesn't work for a living. What he does is play with food on the internet, and people give him money to do it. He has a YouTube channel which has enough subscribers to be monetized. The videos that he makes have enough views to allow American companies to run ads on his channel, and from there he makes money. Here is a sample of what he does, because we cannot call it work. Ken Domik is going to try to drink a gallon of milk in less than 1 hour.
4 liters of milk, which is about 7 ounces more than a gallon.
Almost made it.
Ken Domik also does something else for money, because we cannot call it work.
Yeah, I made more fucking money than you ever did.
Ken Domik hosts what are called live streams on his channel. During the live stream, his viewers can do what are called super chats, or top chats, which are, they give him $20 with their credit card, and he then takes shots of hard alcohol and keeps doing it until he vomits into a bucket.
Sorry.
Earlier, I had said that Ken Domik would say himself that he does not work for his money. He is going to tell you in his own words that he buys food to make money on YouTube.
Hey guys, it's Ken from KBD Productions TV. A whole lot of you wanted to see the behind the scenes of how I do my food. A lot of people ask me why I keep the bills, because I'm buying food to make money on YouTube. Basically, it's a tax write-off. So this actually lowers my income so that I can get more money back, or I don't have to pay as much tax on my cost of living tax, I guess. Anyway, so there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the behind the scenes. Once again, I'd love to thank every single person out there that watches my videos, subscribes, likes, ding, 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 and also leaves a comment saying, "Hi Ken, love your videos," whatever you like to say. Thanks for watching. Ken out. Bye.
Maybe you are asking yourself, hey, that clip at the start when Ken Domik said that construction workers are douchebags, when did he say that? And what was he doing at that hotel? I'm going to tell you. He did it back in March of 2016. And the reason why he was there is that he had invited 4 young men who are less than half his age to come to Toronto because they are YouTubers too that go on about food. These 4 lads are all from England. Ken got 3 of them drunk in public. Then he went back to his hotel room where the 4th was waiting, and they all got even more drunk. Keep in mind that Ken was there with these 4 lads, and there was no one else there. No one acting like a responsible parent, and no one acting like a responsible middle-aged adult either.
Dude, I'm fucking smashed.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm trying to choke
What the fuck's your problem?
It doesn't matter.
Don't knock anything over. That's all I'm saying. So apparently Matt is like completely tanked. Did you throw a shot?
No, I shot afterwards.
You had a shot afterwards? So at least you know what it tastes like.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Unfortunately, he had 750 milliliters of beer before.
950 milliliters.
Sorry, a liter.
No.
Let's go with a
I
liter.
had 2 days of beer beforehand. Yeah, man.
Your mom. All right, people, we are on our way back to the hotel. Hey, Lewis.
What?
Hey. Hey, Crown Royal. We're doing much better than. Oh, look at that! Check that out.
Very nice bottle, very nice smelling.
Nice. I wasn't gonna drink the whole thing, but I saw him drink the whole thing. Oh.
I'm sorry, I really like my whiskey, man.
Oh. Nice.
I just hear him guff like right in my face. I sat here and
Come on, penis.
in my
Hey, you sort of British penis.
Maple syrup whiskey.
A British penis.
Maple syrup whiskey. Me and Ken.
Wait. Don't say anything. I'm happy the fact that I've made Lewis laugh because I said British penis.
You right? You eat fuck.
Look at it. That's why I put a special thing at the beginning of my video. What is it called? I don't know. Because I'm drunk.
Me and Ken have just consumed the rest of this whiskey. Maple syrup whiskey.
We haven't consumed it yet.
Well, last little bit of it. Ready?
Cheers.
Boop, boop, boop. This whiskey's not a shot, it's a Very naked on
Royal Crown. No, it's Royal.
Crown Royal.
Crown Royal. Oh, Crown Royal Maple.
If you had a son who was just old enough to drink, would you want him hanging around with a man double his age in some hotel? And if you had a father around Ken Domik's age, and you were the age of the lads that he was getting drunk with, would you want your father acting this way? Of course, there is virtually no footage of this kind on the internet, because for the most part people don't make it, except for freaks such as Ken Domik. The footage at the start is of Ken Domik trying to sober up the morning after in the hotel with a hangover, which is why he is so angry at the people who have to work for a living, while he parties with young men half his age and plays with food on the internet for money. He really did say that construction workers are douchebags. Here is the clip with no edits.
And my tag was sticking out, sorry. And so right now I'm just compressing yesterday's footage. It is about 10 to 9 in the morning. I got up at 8. Actually, I was woken once again by the building across the way because, let me get out of bed slowly with these old legs. These douchebags over here start work at 7 o'clock in the morning, and the first thing they'd like to do at 7 o'clock in the morning, you know, being construction workers, is to use very large hammers on sheet metal, and they only seem to do it at 7. They don't do it at 7:30, 8, or any other time during the day that I have heard, but they like to do it at 7 in the morning when people are still sleeping and in the hotel rooms. So it's really annoying because right now they're not making any noise. Anyway, so I'm staying down another night. I guess we'll get possibly a food review done.
Yeah, I made more fucking money than you ever did.
These douchebags over here start work. 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 These douchebags over here start work.